It is a cloudy morning here in Minnesota. We have a slight chance of rain later, but regardless, we are all loaded up and headed to the lake because your boy has got a craving for some fresh fish. Mostly panfish in this lake, but I've caught a few northern there before. And I don't know, you never know what you're gonna get when you throw a line down. So hopefully we'll have some good stuff today. But either way, it's never a bad day when you're out fishing. We made it to the lake, guys. What a beautiful day to do some fishing. Down, down, down she goes. All right, anchor down in about 22 feet. Let's see what we can do. Let's get a line in the water, shall we? Fished that spot for a while and didn't turn up any panfish, so we are going to get this motor going, head to the next spot. But while we're doing that, we're going to do a little bit of trolling. What better way to get over to where you're fishing than to do more fishing? And if you guys don't mind, while we troll, I think I'm gonna have a little bit of breakfast. It's been a slow morning so far, and it did rain a little bit on me earlier, so I'm a little wet, a little damp, and no fish in the boat yet. So I'm sure you guys know exactly how that is. Biggest mess of weeds you ever saw. Rain's back. Hopefully it doesn't rain for too long. Dragging weeds. Right through the good spot. Feel it on there. Alright, we're back at it. Sean, let's go. Feels pretty small, but at least it's a fish on. Little pike. Now these guys like to throw hooks into your hands, so I almost always use pliers with them. Even with this, it's just a little easy one to get out. I'm not even gonna measure this guy because he's not too big, but I would want to get him back in the water so he doesn't flop around too much. They like to move around a lot. First catch of the day, little pickerel in the boat. Back out there. Not quite what we're looking for, but fish in the boat. I will take it. Something nice just showed up on the fish finder. I like that. And it just hit. Let's go. Fish on. Oh, feels a little bit better than the last one for sure. green. It's not green, but it is a little bit better pike. Yeah, it's a nicer pike. Still not gonna measure this one, probably about 18 inches. Let's get him back in there. Looks to me like we're ready to go again. Let's do it. You guys got to see this. See it to believe it. Look at that. Ate it from the bottom. Hook set on both sides. Beautiful. Let's go ahead and get this out of buddy. Look at that guy. Look at the teeth on him. Beautiful fish. Back in the water for you. Fish on. This one feels nice. Nice, another little pick. Let's get him back in the water. we made it to the next spot. Trolling over here was pretty productive, but now we're gonna get back on the chase for those crappie and sunfish that we're gonna be eating today. They've been pretty elusive in this lake, honestly, for the last month and a half. But early on in the season, you know, early spring and such, there were some real big ones out here. So I'm excited to see if those big ones are still out here, and if they got any bigger. Typical for this lake, bringing in weeds. Ahoy! Hi, Peanut, you're in the video. All right, it's about 5 o'clock. Obviously you guys saw some awesome catches out there, but after that, I made it to the spot, switched over to some worm and slip bobber setup, and we ended up catching a few different fish, but I caught this nice spotted bass. We've got him on some ice in our cooler. Start icing him down, getting him ready for dinner. But it was a great day to be out on the lake, and hopefully you guys enjoy the video. I will be posting a little bit of extra footage here at the end of us cooking up and eating that beautiful fish. Today was a great adventure, and I'm really glad I got to share it with you guys. I'll see you on the next one.